send an invite to the Allthenticate admin portal, we're going to go ahead and click the invite button up here. To send the invite, we're going to go ahead and type in the email to who we'd like to send the invite to. If we want to send an invitation to multiple people, we separate the email with a comma, a space, and then type in the email of anyone else we'd like to send an invitation. Once we have everyone we're sending an invite to, we go ahead and click submit right here. And now we can see that their name has appeared on the list of users. Up here we have a list of invited users, and we see that John and Jane appear right here. If we'd like, we can go ahead and resend the invite, or if we need to, uninvite them from the portal. And once we confirm the request on our phone, they've been uninvited from the Allthenticate admin portal.